Everyone, welcome back to Lens on Trains. Today we're diving into a little maintenance, keeping our locomotives running smoothly with a handy product, the Piko 56301 Lok Oil. I picked this up a while back when I was adding some extra Piko track to my layout. I figured it's time to finally put it in use, and I'm glad I did it. This is a special oil made just for miniature trains. It's plastic compatible, so no worries about damaging your locomotive surface. It even comes with a plastic hanger, in my opinion great for storing it safely after use. Today I'm using it on my Hercules locomotive. You only want to apply this oil to moving parts that squeak, so axle, gear points, and anything that has a bit of friction when the train is running. A little goes a long way, just a drop on each moving joint. You don't want to overdo it. It's all about reducing wear and keeping the motion smooth. After the quick oiling session, the difference is noticeable. The locomotive glides better, and that slight squeak I was hearing, gone. When you're done, just hang it up with the included hook. No mess, no fuss. If you're into keeping your trains in top shape, this little bottle is a must-have. Hit like if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more model railroading tips here on Lens on Trains. See you next time.